Hello, thank you for joining us today on another segment of helpful functionality to creating documents on the IBMI. Hello, I'm Orlando with Informed Decisions. Thank you for joining us. Today's topic will be multiple ways to get your data onto your documents. This could be beneficial if you are already using existing spoof files, SCS spoof files, or AFPDS spoof files. They could also be beneficial if you don't have spoof files and need to grab your data directly from a database. In either case, both options are available and very easily done with our iDocs software, including our IMAP utilities to make the mapping easy. We can actually grab both information from the spoof files or database files, merge the data with images like boxes, squares, actually pictures, and so on onto your documents, and create a finished document at the very end. We'll start off with we can actually grab a sample here. You'll have a design in which we can download a spoof file directly from our IBMI, and that's what you see on the right hand side here. We can map that information directly onto the document, and once we're done, we can upload it back up to our IBMI system for processing. At this point, we're really done with the mapping and designing options on the PC. Everything else will reside and function natively on the IBMI. Now, this is directly from a spoof file in which we can actually grab our data and move it over and drop it anywhere we want on the form. We can alter that. We can change fonts. We can actually change our sizes of the fonts, make it bold, make it italic. We can actually go into the properties, give it special names if we wanted to, all sorts of good things in there. We can do conditional mapping, bursting, all sorts of functionality to get the mapping that we want. Now, this is from a spoof file. We can also do this directly from a database file as well. Let me bring that up here. And this is a different form in which we actually are grabbing a database information. In this case, we're going to be doing database mapping. And database mapping is up here. We'll edit. We can actually do information for the header, the details, and the footer. Each one giving us different functionality on the type of data and how it lays out. In this case, headers will give us information which will appear usually on the top side of the page as in customer address, name, maybe a customer number. The details are going to be maybe a list of information in which we may have multiple columns and rows of information being displayed on our document. And then of course the footer, which actually gives us a bit of information, maybe like a totals, and we can actually even add some functionality like summing up and averaging out and other functions to those fields, those map fields. But we can do one for either one. We could actually take information from your database files for each one of these purposes. Now, in this case, this is a very simple case in which we have data from our database coming from the customer address, customer number, the details for every part of our columns here, and then a footer. This will be uploaded up to our IBMI. Will again reside and function on iDocs on the IBMI and process from there. We could even give this distribution rules and that are based on triggers that it could automatically send the information out to different customers, recipients along the way, either print, email, and other delivery methods. Now, here, these two methods are available and very helpful for us. Now, if you want more information, please feel free to contact us at www.informeddecisions.com or call us at 949-709-5838. Thank you for viewing this video and look forward to another video coming up.